It's week 2 of fall and I got a rainy day, which means only one thing: fishing. Here is how I prepped for a high profit fishing day. I went over to Willie's and got the fish smoker recipe, which cost 10,000 gold. To make one of these, you need all 3 jellies and 10 hardwood. To get cave jelly, you're gonna have to go and fish in level 100 of the mines in the lava. I ended up making 2 smokers. My goal is to catch as many catfish as possible so I can smoke them and double their profits. Once you reach level 10 fishing, you will have the ability to double the profit of your fish. I made some targeted catfish bait, which helped tremendously. I set up 2 smokers so I can smoke the fish as I do some fishing. Each fish takes 50 minutes in-game to smoke. Be sure you have some coal in your backpack for this because each smoked fish takes 1 coal. This is also a great way to get one of Demetrius' special orders filled. Fishing on level 100 of the mines will also get you a lava eel. When these are smoked, they are worth quite a bit of gold each. This is also a good place to get trash for recycling. You have a 10% chance of getting cloth by recycling soggy newspapers. After you have obtained cloth, you will get Emily showing up at your door to let you know about her sewing machine at her house. You will now be able to make clothing there. On the 8th of fall, you will get a letter from Linus asking you to help him find his blackberry basket. You can find it by the bus stop. You might find him being a peeping Tom by the spa, so you can give it back to him. This is a great time to go foraging for blackberries. They will only spawn in the bushes until the 11th. The trees you planted on your farm should be ready to chop down by now. You will need lots of wood for different projects. If you go to Robin's, you will be able to purchase a big chest recipe, which is way bigger than the originals. I was finally able to get all of my chests exactly where I wanted them around my workbench. When you get to farming level 8, you will get the keg recipe, which is going to be a big profit when you start making wine. If walking slow through the crops and grass is the bane of your existence, then placing some paths where you can walk through will amp up your speed in these areas. If you like digging through the trash like I do, you will eventually get the trash catalog once you have hit 50 trash digging expeditions. I was able to finally get the greenhouse complete. Getting this done before winter is a great way to grow crops out of season. And as always, don't forget to mess with Lewis when he calls to check on you. If you enjoyed the Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.